Hey beautiful, I have not one, but two gorgeous versions of a brand new shawl pattern to show you today. This beautiful Rhombus Cross triangle shawl by Warda is such a showstopper. It has a unique construction with a center triangle and then a large border worked in a different direction from the body. This first one is a simpler version and it has orderly eyelets dancing down the border. It's such a calming design with beautiful simple stitches, and I really love the nice eyelets. They give such an intentional flow and progress to the pattern. And this second version is the same as the first. We've just added these gorgeous shell stitches across all of those eyelet columns. And to me, all of these interconnecting shell stitches symbolize the connections and the ties that we have with people we love. And I really love this contrasting border. It looks so pretty when you wrap the shawl around you, and it really adds that little nice finishing touch to the pattern. I also love the large stripes in the body of the shawl, and I think it's so neat that the stitches run in a different direction for that large border. It just makes me think that we each have our own path to take in life, and when we zoom out and see the whole picture, it just all works so beautifully together. Alone, we can do good things, but together, we can create magic. We chose completely different color palettes for these two, which I think is so neat. So just express yourself and choose meaningful colors that remind you of things you love. We wanted the shawl to be super draping and glowing, so we used our hand-dyed Pearlescent Fingering yarn. It's creamy, it's soft, and it shines like the sun. And it really takes the dye so well, resulting in rich, saturated colors. And just for funsies today, I've decided to give away 10 skeins in various colors of our Pearlescent Fingering yarn. So to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, comment below letting me know something or someone that you feel a deep connection with. Today, I would love to show you how easy it is to apply those beautiful shell stitches to your shawl. To get started, you're gonna find the farthest right column of your little squares and find the double crochet at the bottom of that first square. Then we're just gonna attach our yarn. So go ahead and insert your hook around that double crochet. Go ahead and grab your yarn and we're ready to get started. We're gonna begin with a stacked single crochet around this double crochet. And to work that, you just start with a single crochet, and then you're gonna work a chain one, and I'm gonna do this loosely so you can really see what I'm doing. Your gauge should be tighter than this. So instead of working into the top of our single crochet like we normally would, we're gonna work into the two vertical bars. So grab those two vertical bars, and we're gonna work a single crochet into those. So that's your stacked single crochet, which counts as a double crochet. Now we're gonna work two double crochets around that double crochet as well. And again, my hook is bigger than yours is, so my gauge is gonna be much too big, but I thought it would be a little easier for you to see what I'm doing. So then you're gonna chain three, and we're gonna work three double crochets into that same space, all around that same double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So this is our starting shell. So it looks like 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Then we're gonna work a chain 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're going to locate the next column of squares, and we're going to work around the double crochet at the bottom. So find the little double crochet at the bottom of this bottommost square, and we're going to work a shell into that. So go ahead and work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then chain 3, and 3 more double crochets all around that same double crochet at the bottom of that first square. 2 and 3. And you're going to continue repeating this all the way down. So again, chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll jump over to your next column of squares, find the bottommost double crochet, and work your shell into that, which is 3 double crochets. There's 2 and 3, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets into that same double crochet. So continue repeating that all the way down. 2 and 3. So you're going to have shells at the bottom of your columns with your chain 10s between, and they're going to be loose. So in the next row, we're actually going to pin the center of each shell down to the next square. So let me show you how to do that. So I've turned it upside down, and we're going to work back this way. And you're going to have a lot more shells and chains. I've just got a few to demonstrate. To get started, we're going to begin by slip stitching into each of the first 3 double crochets. Slip stitch, slip stitch, slip stitch. And then when you get to this chain 3, we're going to work around this chain 3 and around the next bar in our column. And we're going to begin with a stacked single crochet. So go ahead and grab that next double crochet here in your column and grab your chain 3, and we're going to begin with our stacked single crochet. So work a single crochet. I'm going to do mine loosely so you can see what I'm doing. Chain 1, and then find those 2 vertical bars and work a single crochet into those. So this counts as a double crochet. So we're going to complete our shawl with 2 more double crochets. Again, just pinch together that chain 3 of your shell and this next bar in your column, and just work around both of those. So we're pinning our shell to the next bar in our column. So I'm just working 2 more double crochets, chain 3 for the center of our new shell, and 3 more double crochets again around the bar and the chain 3 space from our previous shell. 2 and 3. Now we're going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead and jump on over to our next column. Now we're going to work a shell around the chain 3 space of our next shell and the next bar in our column. So grab the bar and grab the chain 3 space of that shell and go ahead and work your shell. So there's 1 double crochet, and I just like to hold the bar with the shell. It makes it really easy to work around both at the same time. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 more double crochets. So we pin down the previous shell as we're working the next shell. So continue repeating that all the way down. Chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more time we're going to pin down our next shell. So get started to work your double crochet, grab the next bar and the chain 3 space of your shell and work another shell. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 more double crochets around the bar and the chain 3 space of the previous shell, and just continue repeating all the way down. So you can see on this row we have our loose shells which are not attached, and we've pinned down the previous shells from the row below. Now you're going to repeat row 2 twice more. So I have gone ahead and worked row 2 twice more, so here's what you should be looking at. You're going to have your loose chains in the middle with your shells pinned down except for that top row. So here's how you work row 5. We're going to begin with a slip stitch into each of those first 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and into this chain 3 and the next bar. So find the next bar. We're going to start with our stacked single crochet, so we're pinning this shell down. So start with your single crochet, chain 1, find those 2 vertical bars, and you're going to work your single crochet into those, and then work 2 more double crochets around the bar and the chain 3. So we're pinning that down. There's 1 and 2. We're going to complete our shell with our chain 3 and 3 more double crochets around both of those. So that's our first shell, just like we've been working. 2 and 3. Now we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to single crochet around all of these chains from the previous rows. So just grab all of those and work your single crochet around all of them. So we grab them all together and then chain 5 again. And we're just going to continue repeating what we've been doing. So you're going to pin down this shell to the next bar by working a shell into both of them. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, work your chain 3, 2, 3, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and continue repeating all the way down. Chain 5, 4, 5, single crochet around all of your chains. This part is really satisfying. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and again pin down your next shell to the next bar with a shell and keep repeating all the way down. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And you can see after you've captured all of those chains, you get these beautiful little shapes. They're so pretty. So now you can see how easy it is to apply those beautiful shell stitches to your shawl. So as you crochet this shawl, I hope you feel that sense of connection and that knowing that truly we are all woven together in this fabric of life. Well, happy stitching, my beautiful crochet friend, and I will see you next week with another new pattern. Bye! Stop. Orderly eyelets dancing, orderly eyelets dancing. And to me, all of those gorgeous to me, I cannot work in these conditions. So as you crochet this shawl, I hope you remember that we are all connected in this, that truly we are all connected, and that truly we are all, not that. Okay, we chose complete, it has a unique construction with a large center triangle and then it has a unique construction with a triangle in the center and then a large border running in it.
I'm ready.
Stop. And for the second version, we added all of these, for the second version, you're gonna see all of these gorgeous, and for the second version, you're gonna see all of these gorgeous shell stitches that connect all of those eyelets. Nailed it. Bye.